Why babies are called learning machines. From the moment your baby is born, he or she is interacting with their environment. And these interactions will shape the development of their brain as they grow. On the basic level, we know that good care facilitates good brain development. For a baby, learning is a round the clock process. They have to figure out how their bodies move, how to manipulate objects, how to understand and use language, and even more. It is understandably exhausting process. But how do babies learn? Here are few things about what's going on in learning infant's brain. They start learning in the womb. The part of the baby's brain that process sound start working during the third trimester of pregnancy, and it can remember what it hears in the womb after it's born. So, going to be mamas and papas, start chatting with your little one. They start processing language like adults at 2 days old. At just few days old, infants use language processing skills similar to those adults use. They need to move their tongues to distinguish between sounds. Also, touch helps them understand words. Social skills help them acquire new languages. Social interaction is the key to babies' early language acquisition. Babies learn better through interactions with people than through video or audio recordings. They learn music very early, and music helps them communicate. Before a child learns to understand language, talking sounds a lot like music to them. It is repetitive and rhythmic. It helps with better early communication skills like waving goodbye or pointing to an object they wanted. Surprise is the key. Infants learn best when they are surprised. For example, when a ball that appears to pass through a wall, babies pay more attention to it and choose to explore it more. So, surprise them. Napping is crucial. If babies didn't spend so much time sleeping, they probably wouldn't remember what they learned. Infants are constantly learning during their first year, and they're also constantly napping. Babies rarely be awake for more than 4 hours at a stretch. They learn to enjoy certain flavors and smells before they are even born. Babies' senses start working before they are even born, and they can learn to enjoy certain flavors and odors in the womb. Engage and interact with the child, and do not get overwhelmed with educating an infant, as there are limits to what they can learn.